Hey guys, today I'm gonna show you how to add loyalty card to Google Wallet on the Motorola E15. Firstly, go into Google Play Store, search bar and install Google Wallet. If you already have this installed, you can obviously skip this part and go straight into Google Wallet. But for now, once your installation has succeeded, you can open the wallet. Now, in the bottom right corner, tap on Add to Wallet. Now tap on Loyalty Card. Now select from which company you would like to add a loyalty card, and either scan the barcode or enter your member's ID manually by tapping on Enter Manually in the bottom right corner. Now tap here and enter your member ID. Then close the keyboard, hide the keyboard and tap on Add to Wallet. And that's going to be all. If I helped you, please leave a like and subscribe. And if you have any more questions, let us know in the comments.